In this video, we will review the Fanxiang S101 SSD solid state drive. So this is it. As you can see, this is the specification here. As you can see, then we will open this. So this is the SSD here inside. There it is. So by the way, it has a good quality plastic that they use, and this is the solid state drive. So actually I buy it very cheap, so we expect less on this kind of SSD from China. So this is the manual, but something's missing. There's no screw for attachment, so I think maybe because of its low price, so it has no screw and screwdrivers. As you can see, there it is. So this is the review for the Fanxiang S101 SSD. So they said 5 years warranty, so expect less about this product because we buy it so cheap. So this is it. Thank you, and maybe in the next video we will see how the performance after we install it in the computer. So I think this is my next build of my computer. I will attach it. We'll use this solid state drive on this unit. So take care and see you guys. Please subscribe to my video.